arts and sports. Also, big thank you to the Kenya Wildlife Service, the Wildlife Research and Training Institute, the CEO of Safari Rally, and also the KMSF chairman.
Their position as we take another photo with his act on the Sears Sports. It is a fun-filled activity. We're going to be treated to the special stage format featuring hundreds of kilometers. Let's now go to the third group, all female team raising the Kenyan flag high. If I may request the drivers and the navigators on the route.
And so it is quite a historic venue and the perfect place for us to.
We have just 4 minutes. And of course, Sean also invite Yonner Sibyl to just welcome and flag off everything as we start here. This is
Honor as you come, and Yonner, we really, really appreciate you. We are very happy as government of the Republic of Kenya to work.
And first on the ramp, as they meet.
Through the terrain of Nairobi, currently on the clock, barely. We have a minute to go. We are 12:44.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, just over a minute until we start. In fact, just under a minute until we start. Tim, good to see you. Just a very quick word. How was the recce?
Good. Recce's route, Kidong is awesome. Kasarani is nice and damp, no dust. So looking forward to it.
All right, we'll let you get in. Just over 20 seconds until we get underway. The Deputy President is here with us. Rigathi Gachagua, thank you so much. Flanked by the cabinet member, also the CEO. Also, Honorable Merkerman, thank you so much for joining us on the ramp. Getting underway, and they're off.
His Excellency flagging off. 70th anniversary on TJ Support first car right there.